Hello, good morning. I'm Marjorie Magulud from Philippines and I am 33 years old, married and have 3 kids, which is 2 boys and 1 girl. And I have my experience working here in Macau for 2 years and taking care of children ages 7 and 9 years old. Both is boys, and my work is do all the household chore and bringing the kids in the schools and bring back home in the afternoon and cooking the simple dishes. And then I have also my experience in Hong Kong, taking care of kid and dogs. I taking care girl which is age 4 years old, and the same time I also um, do all the household work. Thank you.